Good morning, children. So, children, today in our class we are going to discuss about the Royal Center. Okay. So, the Royal Center was located in the southern western part of the settlement, and out there more than 60 temples were being found. And those temple and cults, that is, what do you mean by cults? A group of people devoted to some religion. Clear? That is, those temple and cults were being supported by the ruler of that place, as they used to give donation and fund for its maintenance. Okay, and 30 building was been found, as because they got some evidence which resemble as palace. Temples during that time was constructed of masonry, that is of stone, whereas building were made of perishable material. Clear? So next, children, we will move on to the Mahanavami Diva, and this is very important topic of your chapter. Clear? Because based on this, many times the question has also came in your board, so must go through this properly. Clear? So let's see about the Mahanavami Diva. The king palace was the largest of all, but evidence was not there which could prove that king palace was the largest. But it is said that palace is the largest one. Okay, and the palace has two impressive platform. What was those? First one was the audience hall, second one was the Mahanavami Diva. So what was audience hall? It was a high platform which was made with wooden pillar, and it had a staircase, that is, evidence of staircase was been got, and staircase was made with the support of the wooden pillar to go to the second floor. Clear? So next was our Mahanavami Diva, and it was located at one of the highest point in the city, and its base was 11,000 square feet and height was 40 feet. Clear? And Mahanavami was a Hindu festival which occurs or celebrated during autumn month of September and October. And as in northern India, it is known as Dasera. In Bengal, it is known as Durga Puja, and in Peninsular India, it is known by Navratri. I hope this thing you all know. Now, the Vijayanagar king during this occasion time used its power and prestige, and the people, they used to worship idols, horses, and they used to sacrifice buffaloes and others animal during this occasion. And during this occasion time, many things used to be performed like dance, wrestling matches, and caparisoned horse and elephant and chariot. That is, they used to decorate the horse, elephant, and the chariots, which was used to be represent, or we can say was used to be shown to the king and their guests. Why? As to make the king and their guests impressive and happy. Understood? Now just see the image out here, children, of the Mahanavami Diva. You just see, you could see out here its construction, that is height of 40 feet and base, that is at the top one of 11,000 square feet. Clear? So this is a construction of Mahanavami Diva. So next is our other buildings in the Royal Center. Clear? So out here, the most beautiful building in the Royal Center is the Lotus Temple. Okay. Now, till now, historians are not sure or they got any evidence which could prove that for what purpose those building was made. But still, we get one suggestion of it which was been given by Mackenzie. I hope you remember who was he. He was an employee of East India Company, and he has suggested that Lotus Temple was made as a council chamber, as where the king used to have his meeting with his advisor. Clear? And its most important thing is that it is known by Hazara Rama Temple. Clear? So other name for the lotus temple that was been given was the Hazara Rama temple, and it was used only by the king and his family member. Clear? I hope you understand regarding the royal center. So just go through it, okay? Thank you.